In this video, I'll guide you through how to track scroll depth in Google Analytics 4. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make sure GA4 is capturing scroll activity on your website so you can better understand how far people actually engage with your pages. Let's get started by opening your Google Analytics 4 property. Once you're in the main interface, you'll see a menu on the left. Look toward the lower left corner and click on Admin. This is where you manage all the settings for your property, including how data is collected. Inside the admin area, you'll see different sections for your account and your property. Focus on the property column in the middle. Here, find and click on data streams. Data streams are the connections between your website or app and Google Analytics 4. If you're tracking a website, you should already have at least one web data stream set up. On the data streams page, you'll see a list of all your streams. Look for your web stream, which will usually show your website URL and indicate that it's a web type. Click on that web data stream to open its detailed settings. This is where you control what events are automatically collected from your site. Within your web data stream settings, you'll see a section labeled Enhanced Measurement. This feature is what allows GA4 to automatically track common user interactions, such as page views, scrolls, outbound clicks, and a few others, without needing extra code. First, make sure that Enhanced Measurement is turned on. You should see a main toggle switch at the top of that section. If it's off, click it to turn it on. This enables GA4 to start automatically collecting enhanced events from your website. Next, to specifically check scroll tracking, click the small gear icon next to the Enhanced Measurement section. This opens a more detailed configuration window that shows all the different automatic events included in Enhanced Measurement. In this panel, you'll see several options, each with its own toggle switch. Look for the option labeled Scrolls. This is the setting that controls whether GA4 automatically records scroll depth events. By default, GA4 tracks a scroll event the first time a user reaches 90% of the page height, which is a good indicator that they've consumed most of the content on that page. Make sure the scrolls option is enabled. If the toggle next to scrolls is off, click it to turn it on. Once it's enabled, GA4 will start logging scroll events whenever users scroll down far enough on your pages without you needing to add additional tags or custom code. After confirming that scrolls is turned on, click Save in that configuration window. This step is important because it ensures your changes are applied to the data stream. Once you save, you can close the configuration and you're done with the setup. From this point forward, GA4 will automatically track scroll depth events for your website. You'll be able to use these events in your reports and explorations to see how many users scroll most of the way down your pages, which pages keep people engaged, and where they might be dropping off. That's all you need to do to enable scroll depth tracking in Google Analytics 4.